Hey guys, it's Paulie here from Mustang Auto Parts. Over the next few videos, we'll be covering some need-to-know car detailing tips. We'll be covering some basics like we are today with the 2-bucket car wash, all the way up to some more advanced techniques. So stay tuned. Regular detailing is essential when owning a classic car. Wrong products and procedures can potentially dull and scratch your painted surfaces and remove existing waxes and sealants. So please, whatever you do, don't take it to an automatic car wash. Hopefully these tips and tricks will help your car look as good as it runs. What is the 2-bucket system? It's essentially a wash bucket full of suds and a wash bucket full of clean water. The idea of the 2-bucket system is to ensure that you're not putting any extra dirt or grime into your clean wash bucket. First of all, we need 2 buckets. Essentially, this is an everyday bucket. Extra bounty points if you've got yourself a little grit guard there. The grit guard helps with making sure that any of the dirt and grime is actually kept away from the mitt and kept at the bottom of your bucket. So first of all, we put the clean water in one bucket and then we fill up the other bucket with some soapy suds. An essential step of washing your car is making sure that you're working on one panel at a time. Dip the mitt into the shampoo, wash that one panel, and then thoroughly clean the wash mitt into the clean water, making sure that all dirt and grime is thoroughly removed. To avoid soap suds drying onto your panel, make sure that you're rinsing it off thoroughly. The whole idea of the 2-bucket system is to make sure that your wash mitt is as clean as humanly possible and you're not reintroducing any dirt and grime onto the panel, which at the end of the day is what causes scratches in your paint. This is the bucket and it's got the grit guard on it. Yeah.
What is the next one?
Just like a little snippet of like regular detailing. It's kind of good for your mind and your body and your soul and your power. For your mind and your body and your soul and your power. Good for your mind.
Come on now.
Good for your soul. Good for your body. Good for your soul.
Come on now.